Kitiana here. Today we're going to be looking at animals and plant cells. This video is designed for Key Stage 3. Cells are the building blocks of all organisms. Plant cells and animal cells are the main types and differ in some ways. For example, both cells have a nucleus that has the DNA information that is passed down throughout generations. Plant cells have chloroplasts that absorb sunlight and help plants photosynthesize, but animals do not have that. There are many other differences we shall explore soon. So hang on tight and let's jump in. On screen you can see a diagram of an animal cell and a plant cell. Animal cells have 5 organelles: cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane and mitochondria. Whereas plant cells have 3 more: cellulose, cell wall, and a vacuole and chloroplast. On screen you can see the different types of organelles that I'm now going to explain. The cell membrane controls what substances go into and out the cell, whereas chloroplast absorbs the light to produce glucose by a process called photosynthesis. Mitochondria releases energy from glucose by aerobatic respiration. Aerobatic respiration is when a living organism releases energy from glucose by the presence of oxygen. This is due to a series of chemical reactions. On the other hand, the cell wall, an organelle made out of cellulose, provides support and strengthens the cell. The vacuole stores cell sap and keeps the cell firm, and the ribosome being where proteins are synthesized. Synthesized is another word for made. The nucleus is where the genetic material is contained, for example DNA. It is also where the cell's activity is controlled. As there is not much to cover since this is a Key Stage 3 topic based, I'm going to answer some common questions. For example, why do plant cells have more organelles than animal cells? Plant cells have more organelles than animal cells since they carry out many more functions to sustain a lifestyle where they not only consume food like animals but also naturally produce food from inorganic substances such as carbon dioxide. And here's another. What is the process of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is how plants make their own food. It happens in chloroplast of the plant cells using a green pigment called chlorophyll. Plants need light energy from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil. They make glucose, sugar for energy and growth, and oxygen is released into the air as a byproduct. And the last question I'm going to answer: why do plant cells have a cell wall? Plants have a cell wall to provide structure for the entire plant, as unlike animals, they don't have a skeleton. The cell wall provides other purposes, such as being a first line of defense against bacteria and viruses. And that's it for now. Kitiana out! Don't forget to like and subscribe.